How to add funds to Steam Wallet using PayPal. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how you can add funds to your wallet on Steam using PayPal through PayPal. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget you're going to be able to check this page, recharge.com website, and sign up links in the description of this video. So probably you have tried here. I'm gonna go into my wallet, view my wallet, to add some funds into your wallet, and these are the payment options, at least in my country. But there is no an option to do it with PayPal. So what we're gonna do is to buy a card, a debit card, let's say it in that way, whose name is PaySafe card. And how we're gonna do it, we're going into recharge.com. Obviously this product is not available in all countries, so I recommend you to switch your country because in the United States it's not available. Let me see if I can check where it is available. PaySafe card, yes. And here, if I try to select the country, these are the countries that PaySafe card is available. So perhaps one of these countries is going to be useful for you, and you can pay in any currency, even if you are not in the same country with the currency I mean. For instance, I'm trying to pay here in the Australia PaySafe card, but with US dollars, United States dollars. So by now here I have these amounts, 10, 20, and 50. And this is the price that I must pay in order to get this money. And don't forget that obviously here are the payment methods and there is PayPal. Once you have your PaySafe card, it functions like a debit card, and when you try to go into your Steam and to pay with any of these cards, you must get the info you obtained from the PaySafe card into this port, okay? But I'm going to continue and try to buy a 50 Australian dollars PaySafe card. You must give your email address, and there's going to be the fee that is going to cost you to buy this. So in total, this is going to be 36 US dollars. And it's not so bad because in the exchange today, $50 is around 32 US dollars. So you just have to pay 3 more in order to obtain your 50 Australian dollars. Then you must select your payment method. I've selected PayPal, but you can obviously select another one if you want. By now I'm going to continue with PayPal because this is the tutorial about. Complete your data and then you're going to be redirected to your PayPal in order to continue with the payment process. Don't forget that you must add a phone number, so perhaps if you have a friend that it's going to help you, or another tool that helps you with this, okay? And that's it. That's how you can add funds to Steam Wallet using PayPal. Thanks for watching.